Hello students, today we are going to read chapter number 5 of your supplementary reader book Footprints Without Feet. This is a chapter about one scientist. His name was Griffin. Okay, he discovered some rare drugs, he discovered some medicine by which human body could become invisible. Okay, so he discovered some drugs and swallowed it. He took those drugs and he became an invisible man. Okay, if for example, if I ask you what will you do if you get a chance to become invisible, some will say they will help poor, some will say they will go to foreign country. Okay, some would say that they would tease their friends and all. Okay, so there are many things which a person can do by being invisible. Okay, we are just imagining the situation, but Griffin didn't do so. He was a brilliant scientist, but still he was a lawless person. He was a person who harmed the society. He misused his discovery and harmed the people. So what did Griffin do after being invisible? That is the chapter actually, and this is a chapter about. And one thing more, this chapter is taken from one novel, The Invisible Man. Okay, and if you want to read what Griffin did after being invisible, you may just try the novel also, The Invisible Man. Okay, so let's see how Griffin became invisible and what did he do. Okay, so the chapter starts from here. The two boys started in surprise at the fresh muddy imprints. Muddy means full of mud. Imprints means signs of a pair of bare feet. Bare feet means feet without shoes. Okay, what was a barefooted man doing on the steps of a house in the middle of in the middle of London, and where was the man? As they gazed means looked continuously, a remarkable sight met their eyes. A fresh footmark appeared from nowhere. So, what is the meaning of these lines? The two boys were roaming in the street and suddenly they saw footprints. Suddenly they saw signs of a foot which were covered with mud. Actually, nobody was there around. Okay, there was nobody around, but still there were footprints, and suddenly they noticed a fresh footmark appeared. One new footprint appeared from nowhere, means nobody was there, but still a new footprint appeared. Okay, so they were shocked.